Hello guys! Last time we talked about my first impressions about the Cuccio e-file. Now, let's talk about what are the parts and functions of the items inside the package. But before we start, here's a short unboxing of the Cuccio e-file. First, we have this pouch which contains our e-file. And this is how the Cuccio Max Pro 35K portable e-file looks like. In front, you will see the speed indicator. It's until 35K RPM. You will also see the 3 dots in front, so it represents how much battery life is left. On this side, you will find the forward and reverse switch. On the other side, you have the handpiece holder. At the top, there's the speed dial, the optional plug-in charge, and the handpiece plug. At the back, there will be a clip, and you will find the charging area for your charging dock. And then you will have to connect the handpiece. So this is what the handpiece looks like. You will also find a couple of sanding bands, a mandrel for your sanding band, and some diamond bits. The kit also contains the wireless charger and lastly your handpiece rest. This product is now available in the Philippines. You can avail this product by visiting cuccioph.com. That's cuccioph.com or contacting the numbers on your screen. On the next video, we'll talk about how to safely use each of the items in this box and a tutorial on how to use the e-file and the bits included in the kit. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Goodbye!